Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Smug Countertop Ice Maker and the Olixis Ice Maker machine. Both of these machines promise quick ice production, perfect for home use, parties, and camping. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker features a larger water tank capacity of 1.5 liters, allowing for longer periods of operation without needing a refill. In contrast, the Olixis Ice Maker machine has a smaller 1.0-liter tank, which may require more frequent refills during continuous use. This difference can be crucial for those planning to use the machine for gatherings or events. When it comes to size, the Smug Countertop Ice Maker stands at 12.5 inches tall, making it slightly taller than the Olixis Ice Maker machine, which measures only 10.6 inches. This compact size of the Olixis makes it an excellent choice for kitchens with limited counter space or low-hanging cabinets. The Olixis Ice Maker machine is explicitly designed for quiet operation, rated at less than 40 decibels, making it ideal for quiet environments like offices or RVs. On the other hand, while the Smug model is not excessively loud, it does produce standard noise levels during operation, which may be noticeable in quieter settings. In conclusion, both the Smug and Olixis ice makers offer excellent performance and value for their price. If you need a larger water tank and don't mind a bit of noise, the Smug is a great choice. However, if you prioritize a quieter operation and a more compact design, the Olixis is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.